In this video, you'll learn how CourseCheck sweeps every learning page in your course at once, lists what needs attention, and lets you work through the fixes from a single panel. Before you publish, you want a verdict on the whole course, every page in one pass, with the issues sorted by where the work actually is. That's CourseCheck. Let me show you. Open the course. In the left sidebar, click Quality, then choose CourseCheck. At the top, a short description of what CourseCheck looks at: page length, section order, duplicate or near duplicate content, questions placed before their explanation, summary page tampering, placeholder text, and overall flow. It does not fact check or verify references. Click Run Check. CourseAgent fans out across every learning page, runs the structural and pedagogical checks on each one, and streams the results back as they come in. CourseCheck uses a flat fee credit model. You pay once for the sweep, regardless of how many pages it covers. Results are cached, so rerunning on a page you haven't changed is free. When it finishes, you get the course summary. An amber pill means problems, things likely hurting the learner. A blue pill means suggestions only, lighter touch improvements. Pages with no findings drop off the list entirely. The summary is a work list, not an inventory. Click any row to drill in. The panel switches to that page's findings, with back to course summary at the top, so you can always return. You're looking at exactly what page check would show if you'd run it on this page directly. The same problems and suggestions tabs, the same one-click fixes. If a page is text-heavy, CourseAgent will suggest a page split. Click it. CourseAgent creates a new page, moves sections into it, and titles the new page from the content that just moved. The page list on the left updates immediately. The other actions on every finding work the same way. Mark as done to clear it off the list, or dismiss if you disagree. CourseCheck exposes the same set of one-click fixes you'd see on individual pages. Split page here to what we just used. Reorder sections. When the running order on a page doesn't build, CourseAgent proposes a sequence that does, with a preview before you accept. Remove section. When a section is a near duplicate of another on the same page or is empty placeholder text. Move from summary. When teaching has crept into a summary page, the offending sections move back to the topic page where they belong. Every fix is reversible, and nothing is published until you publish the course. If you've made structural changes, click Rerun at the top to refresh the verdict. Cached pages skip. Only what's changed is rechecked. Clear results wipes the panel back to the starting state if you want to begin a fresh review. CourseCheck doesn't fact check, doesn't verify references, and doesn't rewrite your teaching. It tells you across the whole course where the structural and pedagogical work is, and gives you the same one-click fixes you'd get page by page, gathered into one place so you can work through them in order. One thing worth knowing: if you need a deeper review, whether the teaching itself is sound, the assessment quality, inclusive language, gaps in the argument, that's what Audit course is for. Run CourseCheck just before publishing. Run Audit course mid-build when there's still time to rethink the design. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.